Should I get a 40-gallon water heater or a 50-gallon water heater? That is a very common question that we get, and believe it or not, our answer has more to do with just the setup of our business than anything else. 40 and 50-gallon water heaters today cost very, very close to each other. We choose to stock 50-gallon water heaters in our company and on our service vans because they're more common than the 40-gallon heaters. Even if you currently have a 40-gallon water heater right now, we're gonna replace it with a 50-gallon water heater for two reasons. One, you can't go wrong with an extra 10 gallons of hot water, but also it's just what we have stocked on the van. We would rather upgrade you than downgrade you. If we stocked 40s on the van and you needed a 50, well then we're downgrading you a little bit, and we don't wanna do that. Essentially, our rule of thumb is if a 50-gallon water heater will fit, we're gonna put a 50-gallon water heater in. And it doesn't cost you any more to operate, it doesn't cost you any more to have it installed or anything. You know, the purchase pricing is within $5 or $10 of each other. It's negligible in the grand scheme of things, but you get a little bit larger of a heater. It's a little bit better to run a larger heater in the winter as the incoming water gets a little colder. And so ultimately for us, we're gonna try to put a 50 in place if it's at all possible. The only time we're putting a 40 in is if a 50 simply won't fit.